Let us consider this problem. A joint density function is given. It is given that the function is a joint probability density function, and see the range of x and y, they are overlapping, right? X is always less than y. You should find the value of a, and also you should find the marginal density functions of x and y, right? So since f of x comma y is a joint density function, you know if you integrate f of x comma y over the full range of x and y, the answer should be 1. Now, see, the inner integral is for x and the outer integral is for y. For x, you write the overlapping interval in terms of y. For x, it is 0 to y. And for the outer integral, you write the real limits 0 to 1. Okay. You can also first write dy and then dx, and in that case for y the limit will be from x to 1. And for x the limit will be from 0 to 1. Let us integrate. Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to y, axy dx dy is equal to 1. Integral 0 to 1 a. First you are going to integrate with respect to x. So keep a y here. X on integration gives x square by 2. The limit is from 0 to y dy. Integral 0 to 1 a by 2y. The upper limit on substitution gives y square. Lower limit gives 0. So you get a by 2 integral 0 to 1 y cube dy. That is a by 2 y cube on integration gives y power 4 by 4. The answer is 1. So you have a by 8. The upper limit for y gives 1 power 4 is 1. 0 power 4. Lower limit gives 0. So your a is equal to 8. So you have computed the value of a. Now the next step is to find the marginal density functions of x and y. So you have f of x comma y is equal to 8xy in the interval 0 less than x less than y less than 1, and it is 0 otherwise. Let us first find the marginal density function of x, right? See, from the joint density function to get the marginal density function, you should integrate the joint density function with respect to y for getting x. Y should go away. And for y, the limit is from x to 1. X to 1. So, x to 1, for y, the limit is from x to 1. Right? You should write the limit in terms of x. That is important. 8xy dy. 8x is constant. Y on integration gives y square by 2 x to 1. That is 4x into 1 minus x square. This is your f of x, right? And the limit for x is from 0 to 1. Now you need not talk about y. This is purely a function of x. You need not talk about y. This is the marginal density function of x. Let us find the marginal density function of y. F of y, you should integrate f of x comma y with respect to dx, and the limit for x you should write from 0 to y. Okay, 0 to y. So integral 0 to y 8xy dx. 8y is constant. X on integration gives x square by 2. The limit is from 0 to y. So you have 4y upper limit y square minus lower limit 0 square. So you have 4y cube. So your f of y is 4y cube when y is from the range 0 to 1, 0 otherwise. Right? So this is how you find the marginal density functions using a joint density function. Okay? Thank you.